HOBOlink Scaling feature allows users to scale data to a different engineering unit. To configure scaling, the user would navigate to the latest conditions panel for their respective device and expand that panel to reveal additional information about each channel. You'll notice that each channel now has a new item, scaling, which in this case the user can click on the add link, and they are presented with the scaling form. You'll see that there are two help icons here which the user can click on to be directed to scaling factors for power and energy. The scaled units prompt is what the user would enter to replace, in this case, the number symbol. The resultant series name prompt is what the user would enter to replace, in this case, the counts. And you would see that in both the latest conditions and the graphing. The multiplier is the scaling factor itself, and the offset is available if the user needs to add an offset for that scaling factor. When the user is satisfied with what they've entered in the form, they can click OK. And you'll see that the value for the data is actually in scaled format now, with a unit of measure, kilowatts in this case, and the resultant series name of energy usage. You'll see that the graph is also in scaled format with the resultant series name, unit of measure, and the values in scaled format. If the user were to enter an alarm for that channel, they would also see that the value ranges are now scaled to the scaling factor, and there's the unit of measure, and the latest value is scaled with the unit of measure, kilowatts. And you'll see that the resultant series name, energy usage, now identifies the channel. That concludes the demo of the HOBOlink Scaling feature. If you have questions or would like additional information, please go to www.onsitcomp.com.